you should get it done. Or you're going to end up with that. Guys, get a load of this. I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. All right, but y'all know some things we don't attempt to repair. Probably could have went in with some new. Well, these don't look that bad, so we might have some pinion issues. All right, so he got a whole damn differential assembly coming. The whole damn thing. Yes, guys, long gone. Man, I remember we used to, oh my goodness, set up our tool, dial indicator, scooter block, get the measurements, and yeah, I haven't done that in so long, I forgot how to do it. But we're getting ready to swap this whole complete drive shaft out. Like I say, this whole thing. Now, which part is, now that we got the axle out, we know it's not the axle, so yeah. Obviously some in here. Now, this is a mere amateur, guys. This is one of the young guys, so yeah, you don't see no grit. Yeah, it's inside the all right, please don't do this, guys. Ooh, you done jacked up the damn wheel speed sensor. Dude, this is unprofessional, man. Don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen. I don't even want to touch it. All right, good thing it's not heavy, guys. I know we always say don't leave these hanging, but you're not gonna really do anything, but it don't look good. All right, yeah, I've been a mechanic for a long time, and I slip up sometime, but when it's easy to look, let me show y'all how easy this is to not let it look like that. Look at that. Oh, that's all you had to do, man. It ain't gonna fall. How's it gonna fall? It's stationary. Right now, when it falls and if it falls and yank hard, yeah, that's worse than leaving it hanging. But where's it gonna fall? Somebody gonna knock it down? Who the hell gonna be over here messing around? Man, you looking for excuses for your unprofessionalism? Yeah, that is unprofessional. Don't leave no damn caliber hanging like that. Please don't do this at home, young mechanics. Do the right thing, okay? This guy been working on cars so long, he's immune to recklessness. We all are from time to time. Y'all know me, I clown a lot, but I do things that shouldn't be shown on video as well. All right, no, not everything I do is not from a professional standpoint. All right, we know how far we can go, but I want to know if they don't want this old one back, guys. Y'all want to do this? Because again, the axle is out, so we know it's not a wheel bearing. All right, so if they don't want this whole assembly back, you know what? We're gonna take this damn thing apart, and I'm gonna do some videos on. Yeah, we're gonna get this apart. Get a look at that pinion and that race and all those, everything in here. We're gonna get a look at all that. All right, so y'all gonna hold tight. Stay tuned. He got new axles and everything coming. Oh, now y'all know on the older models when you get so yeah, when we remove a drum and we see grease on it, we automatically know there's some seals in here that will typically reply. And this thing is press fit, so you have to take it over to the press machine. Y'all done it pretty much. If you're a mechanic, you done this job before. Okay, it's not hard at all, but you will end up getting new bearings anyway and new races. So, but it all has to be. You need a press machine to do it. So, but this noise is not coming from that. Okay, one more time before I go. That's how it's sounding when you're driving it. Now, could one blame this on? I want to pose this question because y'all think I just be saying stuff just to be saying stuff. I want to know, have this differential ever been serviced? This is a Wrangler, all right, well over 100,000 miles. Now, in order to service, you don't have to remove the pan like in the past, all right? But I remove the pan on every other service, but not every service. Okay, so I'm sure this got a drain port. Now, if you don't service your differential when you're supposed to, yes, I'm sorry, guys, you're gonna end up with this. Okay, because keep in mind, if this thing is properly lubricated, bearings and things like that will not grit and fail like that. Okay, so yes, that's why it's important to service your freaking differential. All right, or it could cost you big time. You can end up needing to repair like this, right? No matter what kind of car it is. Now, this is a Wrangler, but it doesn't matter. Anything that's a rear-wheel drive vehicle going to have a real differential. Because a 4-wheel drive, you're going to have a front differential. You should service both of those, in my opinion, every 50,000 miles. All right. The book says different. Whatever your manufacturer suggests, you should get it done. All right. So, or one more time. You're going to end up with that. Guys, I got to go.